Have you ever wondered how some of the smartest creators on YouTube are building massive passive income streams without ever stepping in front of a camera or even speaking a single word? Let me show you a prime example. Take a look at this channel right here. They have uploaded fewer than 50 shorts in total. That's it. But if you look at their numbers, they are pulling in millions of views and generating thousands of dollars in estimated revenue every single month. And the craziest part, they don't use a camera, they don't show their face, and they definitely don't own any expensive gold hunting gear. They have tapped into an absolute global gold mine, the ASMR treasure hunting niche. This category is driven purely by highly satisfying visuals and addictive sound effects. Because there is no language barrier at all, the YouTube algorithm pushes this content worldwide, giving them a massive high RPM audience. So in today's exclusive masterclass, I'm going to teach you exactly how to engineer these viral, hyper-realistic shorts using premium professional-grade AI tools. We aren't playing around with glitchy free software here. If you want top-tier monetizable results, you need an elite stack. I'm going to give you my complete step-by-step workflow to generate the perfect cinematic visuals, layer those highly satisfying ASMR sounds, and bring the entire illusion to life. If you're ready to treat this like a real business and build your own digital goldmine, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Before we execute, here is the exact 4-phase blueprint we are using today to build this viral ASMR short. Phase 1. Consistent character generation. We are going to engineer a hyper-realistic main character that stays identical in every single video to build your brand identity. Phase 2. Scene image generation. We will generate high-fidelity, standalone images for every specific shot of our treasure hunt. Phase 3. Image-to-video conversion. We will run those static assets through a premium AI tool to give them smooth, lifelike video animation. Phase 4. Final editing and sound design. This is where the real magic happens. We will bring all our generated clips into the editing timeline, stitch the scenes perfectly, and layer those heavy, brain-tickling ASMR sound effects. And listen closely. Every single master prompt I use in these phases is available for you inside my private WhatsApp community. The link is in the description, so you can just join, copy my exact formulas, and start generating immediately. The blueprint is set. Let's execute Phase 1, consistent character generation. If you want this channel to become a highly profitable brand, you need a main character that looks exactly the same in every single video. Generating random AI faces will destroy the illusion. Here is the exact premium workflow I use to lock in his digital DNA. First, we navigate to Gemini. On your screen, you can see my proprietary master prompt. Notice how I structure this. I am directly commanding the AI to act as an expert prompt engineer. I am not leaving anything to chance. We are locking in a direct, front-facing, full-body shot of a rugged gold hunter in a dense jungle. I specifically instructed it to detail his exact facial features, heavy-duty clothing, tactical footwear, and the metal detector, all under cinematic, moody lighting. We hit submit, let the AI process the data, and boom. Look at this output. Gemini didn't just give us a basic sentence, it engineered an incredibly detailed, photorealistic blueprint. We now possess the perfect master prompt for our character. Now we take this blueprint and move over to our production workspace, Flow. Click on New Project to open up the interface. From here, we select the Image module and lock the frame to Portrait, which is the absolute standard for viral shorts. Next, we select our generation engine. For this, we are utilizing Nano Banana Pro. This is an elite tier model that processes hyper-realistic human textures flawlessly. Simply paste the master prompt we got from Gemini into the engine and hit enter. Give it a few seconds to render the high-fidelity pixels, and boom. Look at the absolute precision on this generation. We have our consistent character. Notice the rugged clothes, the heavy boots, the exact lighting. Everything is exactly as we commanded. By forcing a full body shot, we ensure the AI doesn't hallucinate or change his proportions in future scenes. Phase 1 is officially complete. We have the permanent star of our gold mine. Go ahead and download this image directly to your drive. Now we need to build the cinematic world around him. We are now initiating Phase 2 and Phase 3 concurrently. Pay very close attention to this next step, because what you are looking at on the screen right now is the exact dividing line between amateur creators who make $0 and elite automation experts who build scalable empires. I call this my alternative master prompt. While 99% of people are blindly typing generic sentences into AI and getting inconsistent, glitchy garbage, we are hard-coding an exact visual and auditory blueprint to manipulate the YouTube algorithm. Let's deconstruct the architecture of this command so you understand the psychology behind it. We are explicitly forcing Gemini into a highly specialized role, an expert AI video storyboard generator. We are commanding it to follow an unbreakable sequence. But the true secret sauce, the absolute critical parameter that makes this entire system profitable, is right here. We are forcing the AI to end every single video prompt with this exact phrase. Only ASMR sound effects, no music, no character dialogue. Why is this so incredibly important? Because modern human attention spans are hijacked by visceral, satisfying, crunchy frequencies. By completely eliminating messy AI voices, language barriers, and distracting background music, we isolate the dopamine trigger. We are engineering a frictionless 9-scene sequence, starting from the initial jungle search all the way to weighing the final glowing gold asset. Now listen to me. You do not need to pause this video to memorize this complex architecture. I believe in eliminating friction for action takers. If you want this exact proprietary framework transferred directly to your workflow, simply comment the word link below. My automated system will send you an immediate invitation to my official WhatsApp community. I have kept this creator hub completely open and accessible, so you can join our network right now and clone this entire master prompt absolutely for free. Now, watch the execution. We input the master command, we hit enter. Give the AI a moment to process the logic. And boom. Look at the absolute precision of this output. It hasn't just given us a random messy script. It has structurally engineered a flawless scene-by-scene storyboard. It has separated the data, giving us highly specific image prompts to generate our static assets, and dedicated video prompts to dictate the exact cinematic motion for every single micro-action. Now, I want you to look closely at the screen. When you read this output, you are going to see technical variables like US reference image or video extend prompt. Your brain might immediately perceive this as overly complex or intimidating. Stop right there. Do not let that friction hold you back. The reason this specific niche is so incredibly profitable is precisely because it looks complicated to the average person. They quit, leaving all the revenue for us. I am not going to leave you to figure this out alone. I am going to deconstruct all 9 scenes step by absolute step. I will show you exactly how to generate every single clip, how to maintain the character's consistency, and how to execute those video extensions. By the end of this session, you will possess the exact mechanical workflow to launch a highly professional, monetizable YouTube asset today. So, make sure you smash that subscribe button to lock in your position in this community. The theoretical blueprint is officially complete. It's time to synthesize our first clip. Let's execute scene 1. Let's transition back into our flow workspace and start executing. First, copy your scene 1 image prompt from Gemini and paste it into the engine. But before we hit generate, we need to guarantee absolute character consistency. Click the plus icon, open your gallery, and upload that exact anchor character we generated in phase 1. Lock your aspect ratio to 9:16, the absolute standard for viral shorts. Hit enter. Give it a few seconds and look at this masterpiece. Our first scene is structurally perfect. Now, do not download this image yet. Click the 3-dot menu and select Add to Prompt. This is a massive workflow hack. It eliminates the friction of constantly downloading and re-uploading assets. Now we bring it to life. Toggle your settings from the image module to the video module. Copy the scene 1 video prompt from Gemini, paste it in, and hit generate. Boom. Look at the cinematic motion. Notice how there is zero background music, only that crisp ASMR sweeping sound exactly as we commanded. Download this video clip. Scene 1 is officially complete. Let's accelerate to Scene 2, the metal detector signal. Copy the Scene 2 image prompt. Toggle your settings back to image and paste it. Here is an elite secret that will prevent your scenes from glitching. Use your previous image as the reference. This forces the tool to understand exactly what environment we are in, locking in that dense jungle background. Generate the image, then instantly swap to the video module, paste the video prompt, and execute. Look at that extreme close-up, the green light flashing, the word found crystal clear. Scene 2 is locked. Now for scene 3, the digging sequence, we repeat the exact same protocol. Paste the prompt, use our searching character as the reference, generate the static image, and then synthesize the video. Creator. Tip: you have two choices here. You can generate every single image first and convert them to video later, or you can execute scene by scene. I highly recommend the scene by scene workflow. It gives you maximum creative control over the narrative flow. Follow this exact pattern for scene 4. But when we get to scene 5, washing the stone, pay very close attention. The master prompt says no reference is needed, but we are going to override that. Feed it the muddy stone image from scene 4 as your reference and generate the image. Now, look at our video prompt. Notice that we didn't mention water pressure in the image prompt. Why? Because if we show a muddy stone first, and then let the video engine dynamically generate the high-pressure water washing it away, the result is incredibly professional and deeply satisfying. Hit generate. Look at that reveal. The mud washes away, the water sounds are visceral, and the gold shines through. Let me pause and give you a high-level psychological hack. If you want to skyrocket your retention and build a loyal audience, inject a storyline into these shorts. End the video by showing your character using this gold to help someone in need, or change the environment from a jungle to a snowy mountain. Emotional storytelling mixed with ASMR is the ultimate algorithmic cheat code. Let's finish the sequence. For scene 6, generate the empty crucible image, then run the video prompt to drop the gold in. Now, for scene 7, I'm going to show you a revolutionary feature inside Flow, Extend. We do not need a new image prompt. Click directly on the video clip we just generated in scene 6. Select the Extend option. Paste the scene 7 prompt and execute. Watch this magic. The AI seamlessly extends the footage, bringing an intense blowtorch into the frame and melting the gold into a glowing liquid. It is flawless. You will use this exact same extend mechanism for scene 8 and scene 9, molding, cooling, and finally weighing the gold. If this workflow is completely blowing your mind and you love this breakdown, make sure to subscribe right now. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly what AI niche you want me to decode next. Phases 2 and 3 are officially complete. We have every single cinematic clip downloaded. It is time to piece the puzzle together. Now let's head straight into our final battleground, CapCut. This is where we stitch the illusion together. The first thing you're going to do is import every single AI clip we just generated into your media pool. Before you do anything else, make absolutely sure your project ratio is set precisely to 9:16. We are building a viral short, and the vertical format must be flawless. Now, drag and drop each clip onto your main timeline, placing them in the exact chronological sequence of our storyboard, from the jungle search all the way to weighing the gold. Now, pay close attention to the timeline. Here is where the absolute genius of our master prompt truly shines. Notice the audio track. We do not need to waste hours hunting for external background music, and we definitely do not need to manually layer fake ASMR sound effects. Why? Because our elite prompt engineering already hard-coded those highly satisfying crunchy ASMR sounds directly into the original clips. The audio is already embedded and perfect, but we are not just going to leave the footage raw. We need to optimize the pacing to keep the viewer's dopamine levels peaking. Watch your playback. If there is a specific moment that feels a bit too slow, simply select that clip, navigate up to the speed option at the top menu, and increase it just slightly. Make the action punchy and satisfying. If a clip has unnecessary dead space, use your split tool. Split the clip, cut the fat, and delete the boring parts. Keep the retention tight. Once your entire video sequence is perfectly aligned, apply smooth transitions between your cuts. You do not want harsh, jarring jumps. Smooth transitions ensure the visual flow is seamless and the viewer's immersion is never broken. Our editing workflow is complete. Go ahead and hit export, let the software render the data, and boom. Look at this. Our complete, hyper-realistic, highly profitable ASMR short is officially ready to dominate the algorithm. If you received massive value from this masterclass and you are ready to treat YouTube like a real business, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with a fellow creator, and do not forget to drop a comment below. And remember, you do not have to guess or struggle with your AI generation. If you want your hands on every single master prompt I used in today's session, simply type the word link in the comments below. My automated system will instantly send you an invitation to my official WhatsApp community where you can copy the entire framework absolutely for free. Hit that subscribe button right now to join our elite creator circle. And please drop a comment and let me know exactly what you thought of this video and what AI automation secrets you want me to decode for you next. Let's keep building. I will see you in the next masterclass.